Бұл дүние сиқырға толы, бастайды арманға өмір жолы. Тағдыр жүрегіңдегі айна, аңызға айналдыр оны. Екі сағат деп қойған. 20 минут күткеннен кейін. Сәлем. 20 минут күткеннен кейін біз Қазақстан павильонына кірдік. Друзья, это казахстанский павильон. После ожидания 20 минут мы попали в него. Сейчас обещают показать шоу.
Imagine an invisible network that connects everyone on planet Earth. All the people you have seen today, all the people you have ever met, everyone in history, billions of human beings. We are all connected, and always have been, by our DNA. Our genetic code tells the story of our common origin. Homo sapiens emerged about 300,000 years ago, and the early human populations began to disperse across continents and give birth to great civilizations along the DNA migration routes. The Great Steppe of Eurasia was one of those significant places in world history, homeland to numerous ancient cultures whose inventions influenced early global development. The historical movements of people, ideas, and technologies shaped our modern world. Traces of our ancestors' genetic and cultural spirit can still be found in our DNA. Our roots have brought us together. Let us remember that we are all related.
Матрица много видно.
Welcome to the land of the Great Steppe. Welcome to Kazakhstan.
Oh yeah.
Please proceed to the first row. To the sacred mountain. In this area you have sacred places and archaeological finds that were made in Kazakhstan. Historically, Kazakhstan been the beating heart and soul of Eurasia, and through the transport and major cultural routes between Europe and Asia, ancient civilizations developed here. So here you can see the gold map of the America, and the first one will be 1969. Please come in. The first one in 1969 is the house here of Yes, please proceed to the front row.
Celebrate every 12 years of our lives. Also, one more to say that the first place where wild horses was domesticated is the land of the Great Steppe. On the side we see traditional women's jewelry, and all of them have their own meaning. On the screen you can try yourself all traditional calls, but it doesn't work correctly because we have a lot of people in the room and staying too close to each other. On the second screen you may see a video presentation about our designer's decision to combine traditional clothes and the modern ones. On this side you may see an example of our Asian people craftsmanship that was popular in the 2nd century before Common Era on the Great Silk Road.
поехали.
The first zone. Here you can see the natural resources of Kazakhstan. The 99 of 118 elements of periodic table could be found in Kazakhstan. It's 83% of rock.
Здесь показано все, что добывается у нас. Конечно же, яблоки. Вон я вижу там травы. Это вот крупы, которые добывают тоже у нас земляные богатства. В этом зале показана вся таблица, практически вся таблица Менделеева, то, что у нас есть. Об этом говорится. Здесь на втором этаже на большом стенде показана реклама нашего города, главного города Нур-Султан.
Imagine that you're a farmer, you need a plot of land that is, the fertility of this land is very high. We should turn around this document.
Очень долго стояла и думала, на что же похожа эта инсталляция. И поняла. Бинго!
Лото. У нас лото очень много в Казахстане.
Это лототрон.
Please welcome to the main show. Hoş geldiniz.
Шоу начинается.